When a girl looks at you, the worst thing that you can do is immediately look shy, break eye contact, and look away. That only tells her you're not confident enough to even look her in the eyes. Most men don't know what to do when a girl, especially an attractive girl, looks at them. Lucky for you, I have a step-by-step guide on what to do in these situations, and we'll even end this video with some bonus tips on how to talk to this girl after she looks at you. Let's get started. Step number 1, don't look away. Maintain eye contact and stay relaxed. Let's say you're in school, at class, or at a bar, a grocery store. You catch her looking at you. What now? Well, first things first, and this is incredibly important, don't panic. If you panic, she will be able to tell pretty easily, so this is what you do. You maintain composure, maintain eye contact. Here's the key, relax. It's just eye contact. She's not gonna burn you with her eyes. Keep your body language exactly as it was, hopefully good posture, confident, chest out. When you hold your gaze and show that you're comfortable, you're sending a strong message. And that message is, I can handle this. I'm not afraid of eye contact. And this might seem like it's common sense, common practice, but the reality is that 99% of men will look away. Don't be one of those guys. Confidence is attractive. So if you fail this first test, it'll be really hard to recover. Step number 2, flash a genuine smile or smise. Let your confidence shine through. A smise, by the way, is basically smiling with your eyes. It's a very subtle smile. You're not grinning ear to ear excited that she's looking at you. You're just showing her that you're friendly. A sincere smile shows warmth, friendliness, approachability. It tells her that you're open to conversation. Step number 3, read her body language. When you notice her looking, keep eye contact, flash that genuine, subtle smile, and then pay attention to her reaction. What is she saying with her eyes? Is she smiling back? Is she looking away? Is she giving you a playful look, or does she just frown and look away? Understanding these subtle cues can help you respond appropriately. It's not just about being seen, it's about seeing her too. If she frowns and looks away, it's pretty obvious that she's not open to connecting with you. That's her way of saying, don't come talk to me. That could be because she has a partner, she's not single, right? It could be because she's having a bad day, she doesn't want to talk to someone, or it could just honestly be because she's not that into you for whatever reason, and that's okay. To be honest, the reason doesn't really matter. If that's her body language, respect it. Let it go, get back to whatever you were doing before, and don't take it personally either. But if she doesn't really react, or even better, she smiles back, or you can tell that she might be interested, then it's time for step number 4. Approach with confidence. If the moment feels right and you sense that she's open to it, take the plunge. Approach her with confidence. Now, one of the things that will exponentially increase your chances of this interaction going well is if you approach her and you smell great. If you're wearing a fragrance that's sexy, she's gonna be attracted to that. Now, there's tons of fragrances to choose from, so how do you find the right one? With today's video sponsor, Scentbird, you can choose from thousands of fragrances. They send you a vial like this, which is enough for 30 days at least. Then next month, you get to try a new one. And this is by far the best way to try new scents and find ones that make you feel like $1,000,000. And to test out expensive designer fragrances for a month before committing to buying a full bottle. I've been using Scentbird for 5 years now, and they actually just came out with a new packaging which looks beautiful. You can see that it's a lot more elegant, it's easy to use. All you have to do is twist the top and then spray it. They have thousands to choose from Dior to Versace, Calvin Klein, Creed, Parfum de Mali, and so many more on the website. All you have to do is go on the website, pick your favorites, and they will send you those every single month. You just choose the order that you want them in. This month, I got Intenso by Dolce & Gabbana, Pour Homme EDT by Versace, Sign by Mercedes-Benz, and Burberry Brit for Men. It's always fun exploring different scents, right? It's one of the reasons why I love my Scentbird subscription. I get to try new fragrances all the time instead of being stuck with one big bottle of fragrance that you might get tired of after a while. And Scentbird is already affordable. It's way cheaper than buying a big bottle of fragrance. But even though it's already pretty affordable, if you use my coupon code ALEX55OFF, you get 55% off, which means it's just a little over $8 for your first month. That's a crazy low price. So check out the first link in my description, choose your favorite fragrance, and impress her with how amazing you smell when you approach her. Don't be weird. Don't run up to her and scare her. Don't get too close. These are all common sense things that hopefully we don't have to go over. Just go up to her casually, and we can get into step number 4, which is start a casual conversation. Nice and easy, nothing weird, nothing creepy. It could be as simple as complimenting something that you genuinely appreciate about her. Maybe it's her smile, her style, or even her laugh. When you approach with a genuine, confident attitude, it sets a positive tone for the entire conversation. Be yourself, stay relaxed, and let that natural charm shine through. I know diving into a conversation after just an initial eye contact situation can feel like walking a tightrope, right? It can be a little scary for a lot of men. That's why I decided to put together some great conversation starters to keep the momentum going and to make that connection meaningful. One of the easiest and most genuine ways to start a conversation is with a compliment. It It could be something specific that you notice about her, like her cool necklace, right? Maybe her hair, her shoes. Compliments that show that you've been paying attention are not only flattering, but also they indicate that you're genuinely interested in her. But don't be fake, all right? Don't say that you love her dress or her shoes or her smile if you don't. Be genuine, because real works and she'll pick up on it. In my opinion, the best openers are relatable and situational. A good example is, let's say you're at the grocery store and she's looking at cake mix, right? You can ask her if it's her birthday, if she's surprising someone. You can ask her why she's going with chocolate instead of red velvet cake. It doesn't really have to be intricate or extremely funny. A lot of guys think that they have to come up with this really intricate opener. This is just a way for you to get your foot in the door and start talking to her. Once you break the ice, then it's a lot easier to start talking about other things. A pro tip I have for you is to not just ask that first icebreaker question about the cake, then immediately ask her for her number or ask her to go out with you, right? You need to ease into it. Take a little longer, establish that connection. She needs to see that you're a good guy with good intentions and that you're genuinely interested, which you are. So show curiosity about her interests or her opinions in what she's saying, and ask open-ended questions. Questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no, because otherwise that's gonna be the answer. Open-ended questions require longer, more thoughtful responses, which will give you a chance to keep that conversation flowing naturally. So you could ask something like, what's the occasion for the cake, right? She can't say yes or no to that. Do you add any secret ingredients to make it better? These are playful, open-ended questions that will get you both more comfortable to chat, until at some point, maybe you can ask her if she needs help finding something else from her shopping list, or if she needs help baking or eating the cake. It's just a fun, light-hearted conversation that shows her that you're friendly. Then, my man, it's time to get the digits, and hopefully you'll be able to see her again. Who knows? You might even get an invite to the party and get to hang out with an attractive girl and have chocolate cake. That's the dream. And if you want to know how to stop getting rejected by attractive women, watch this video right here. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.